welcome to my channel. Today we will react on the most beautiful attan that we call it traditional dance. It belongs to Pakistan country. Hope you like and enjoy from it. And also I'm waiting for your comment in part of comment section. So please give a nice comment. So thanks. Let's see. And actually I want to determine that do you know they push the money on this attan a little second after this you will see they push money on the people. This really cool look of them. There is money and they push this money for senior after they finish this party, whatever it is. So this is really cool and nice thing. There's a lot of small boy, they will also secretly they keep this money to himself. So that's the end of our video. Hope you like and enjoy from it. Make sure you subscribe the channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.